Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the 2-week crochet braid update for this Oceanwave crochet braid style from Toyo Trust that I have been wearing. You guys have really been liking the hair, so thank you guys so much for the great views on the video. Y'all definitely be sure to go ahead and watch the first one. That's going to be the installation, the specs of the hair. The hair will be linked in the description box down below, all that in the first video. So if you guys have not seen that and you want more specific details on the hair first, definitely be sure to watch that one. I will have the whole video linked in the description box down below, and I'll try to remember to put it in the cards for you guys too. But let's just go ahead and jump right into this 2-week update. So you guys, literally it's 2 weeks to the day, okay, that I've had this crochet braid style in. So let me show y'all like a close-up. Okay, y'all can see how it's looking. Okay, so I still love it. I still love it so much. I just think this hair is just so cute. I absolutely love the length. I love the bob. The texture is great. I love how like voluminous it is. Like it has really nice like fullness. I really like it. And you guys can see that it does have some, y'all can see like right here, that there's some like frizzy pieces and stuff, but honestly, that's completely normal with crochet no matter what type you wear. So like I always mention to you guys, be sure to pick up the Cantu Shine and Hold Mist to spray on the hair before you twist it up at night, or even like right now you could spray some on, and that will help with the with a lot of the frizz. And of course, don't be afraid to cut. Anytime you see something that's maybe looking just a little raggedy, you can go ahead and just snip that away. Okay, but overall I really love the hair. So let's go ahead and talk about probably the most frequently asked question, which is it matting? Does it tangle? Yes, it's all of that. So you guys can see, that's it. I can't go any further. Okay, so of course, yes, but that's with any crochet, you guys. That's what happens to crochet. It's synthetic hair, and it's curly. So you keep wearing it like this, just out, like that's what's gonna happen to it. So it doesn't bother me at all. I've been wearing crochet for like so many years, and I've never had any problems to where I felt like, oh my gosh, this is matting up, I have to take it out. Like, no. I mean, especially with this type of curl pattern. The looser the curl pattern, the more like matted up it's gonna be, like, and more noticeable more quickly, if that makes sense. So like your looser crochet braid textures that are longer, like deep wave and stuff like that, it's easier to me to the silky type of texture, it's easier to me to use the Cantu spray, or use like a water conditioner mix or something on the hair and like kind of rake it through and then twist it up at night, and it looks better. But this kind of texture, it is it's like, it's not silky, but it's not like super yucky either. It's kind of like in the middle of like a natural texture. So when you're spraying the spray on this, of course it's going to maintain it and, you know, keep it looking nice, but it's not going to like revert it back to like being really, really soft. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but if you guys have tried really silky textures before over more natural textures, then you should understand what I'm talking about. However, I really love the hair overall. I would buy it again. Well, I didn't buy it, but it was a sponsored video, but you guys know what I mean. Like, I would buy this hair. I would wear this hair a second, third, fourth time. Like, I absolutely love it. As far as the duration, like I said, it's been 2 weeks. I think you could do up to a month with this hair. Maybe three weeks, at least 3 weeks, but you probably could do 4. And then after that, I would say it's probably gonna need to go. And like, I'm looking over here because like my mirror's over here, and I'm like, yeah, like at least 3 weeks, maybe you could do 4. But I just think it's so cute. It's definitely a winner for me. I started choking, I need the water, then my phone was ringing. But yes, overall, this is a beautiful texture of hair. I really love it, and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Absolutely. Like, look, don't look, don't come for me, but I think this might be my birthday hair. I know I said that. I know I said that about the last crochet braid style, but this one is just giving like grown and sexy, you feel me? Like the bob, it's giving like, I love it. I think it's so cute. So yes, let me know what you guys think about this hair. What do y'all think? Like, do y'all think it's holding up really good? I mean, of course y'all know, like, let me show y'all. See, like when you do this, it really falls really nice. And you know, I've told you guys before with the curls like clumping together, all you need to do is just go, well, that was like 2, but go and just like like this one kind of got stuck together. So you just pull it just like this. These are like 2 individual pieces. So you guys can just go through and kind of just separate them just a little bit to get rid of that clumping that occurs, and then it makes it really nice and flowy. And then the Cantu spray helps it to smell really good and everything. So I honestly have no complaints about this hair. I actually really love it. So definitely recommend it to you guys. Let me know what y'all think about this style in the comment section down below. Let me know if you already purchased the hair, and if you did, when you're going to install it, because this is very much giving holiday vibes. It's giving holiday vibes. So yes, I love it. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe on your way out, sis. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you guys are interested in my outfit, I know y'all can't see the whole thing, but if y'all want to see the whole thing, this bodysuit, I'm wearing a leather skirt and I have my beautiful coat right here because I'm about to go take some pics. But if y'all want to see the whole thing, definitely watch my chit chat get ready with me, which is probably already up. I will have that linked in the description box down below for you guys. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.